Fixing Cashapp connection issues is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. If your Cashapp is not working right now, here are some steps you can take to fix the issue. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before trying to use the Cashapp. Then, update Cashapp. After that, reset your PIN. Clear Cashapp data. Contact Cashapp support. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Cashapp requires a reliable internet connection to function correctly. Try using a different Wi-Fi network or cellular data to see if the issue persists. If all else fails, you can try uninstalling the Cashapp and then reinstalling it. This can resolve any app-related issues. So remember to exercise caution when dealing with financial apps like Cashapp. Make sure you have access to your account details and any linked payment methods before taking any actions to fix connectivity issues. If you're unable to resolve the problem on your own, it's best to contact Cashapp support for assistance.